Have you ever stopped to think that maybe the future isn't something that just happens to you? We're going to explore this really powerful idea that you are the lead architect of your own life. And guess what? The blueprints are being drawn right now, inside your own mind.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. This idea completely flips the script. It says the future isn't some far-off destination we're heading towards. No, it's something we are actively building, right here, right now, with every single thought we have.
So, the big question is, how does this actually work? Is it magic? Not at all. It's a process. It's a lot like building a house, actually. And every good build starts with a solid plan.
Right. So let's be super clear here. This is not about waving a magic wand and wishing for a new car. Think about it. A blueprint doesn't just magically create a skyscraper, right? It's a detailed, practical guide that tells the builders exactly what to do, every step of the way. Our thoughts? They work the exact same way. They're the practical guiding plans for the reality we build.
Okay, so let's zoom in on this mind's blueprint. We're talking about a kind of architecture, but, instead of using steel and glass, your raw materials are your perceptions, your actions, and your habits. It's all happening inside you.
This is what we call psychological architecture, and the most important word there is conscious. This isn't a passive thing that just happens in the background. It's about you intentionally using your thoughts as the foundation for everything else. You see those keywords: construct, guide, shape. These are all action words, things you do.
And here's how that process unfolds. It's like a domino effect. First, you have a thought. Let's say, you know what? I am totally capable of learning this new skill. Okay, boom. That one thought starts to shape your perception. Suddenly, you're not just seeing roadblocks, you're seeing opportunities to learn. That new perception then guides your actions. So you sign up for that class, you start practicing, and finally, all those little actions start to add up and they build a whole new reality for you, one where you actually have that new skill. See, it's a direct, logical chain of events.
Okay, so we get the how. We see the chain reaction. Now for the really exciting part, how do we consciously step into that role of the architect? How do we make that shift from just letting life happen to us to being the one who actively designs it? Well, it all starts with this one fundamental mindset shift. Most people operate with a reactive mindset, right? Their thoughts are just a knee-jerk reaction. You get stuck in bad traffic and your first thought is, my day is ruined. But with an architect's mindset, you choose your response. Okay, the traffic is bad. This is a perfect chance to listen to that audiobook I've been meaning to get to. The situation is exactly the same, but the blueprint, the thought, is completely different, and that leads to a completely different reality.
And listen, every good architect needs their tools, so here are yours. Conscious intention, that's you deciding what you want to build. Focused visualization, that's seeing that finished project clearly in your mind's eye. Deliberate action, well, that's the hard work, laying the bricks day in and day out. And consistent habits, that's your crew, showing up to the job site every single day, making that steady, undeniable progress.
Which kind of brings us to this final, really important question. If your thoughts are the blueprints, and you have all the tools you need to build, well, there's only one person who can be in charge of that project, right?
Look, at the end of the day, the real power doesn't come from your circumstances or from just getting lucky. It comes from the quiet, consistent work of designing the life you want, one thought at a time. This is your project to build. So just remember this. You are not just a resident of your future. You are its lead designer. You're the one who drafts the plans, you're the one who oversees the whole construction, and you're the one who gets to live in the amazing reality you create. So the only question left is, what are you going to build? The blueprints are right there in your mind. It's time to get started.